Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to check fake image on internet. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to download the image that you want to search on internet, like someone selling you a product or something like that, so you can search on internet. So first of all, just you have to visit the website reverseimage.net, and after that open this website and click on upload, and now browse the file. So here you can see I want to check someone is selling me MacBook, so simply I want to check that if it is available on other sites or like this is fake image or not. So simply just select the image. After that click on open. So now here you can also open through Google Drive, camera, Dropbox, keyword or URL. So simply in my case I have uploaded the file, and after that just click on search image, and now when you click on search image, so here how you want to check. So simply you can visit all the websites and check this image. So in my case I click on Google, so just click on check image, and after that you will go to new page. So here you can see the similar images also, and now here you can find that this image is available on many sites and accounts. So it's mean this image is fake and it's not real or uploaded by a real person. So here you can see this MacBook is being sold on many websites and accounts. So in this way you can easily guess the fake picture.